Hi everyone, National Wireless here. Today we're going to do an unboxing and spec video on Hytera's latest release, the BP562. What you see here is everything that comes in the box. I'll briefly go over each accessory and then take a closer look at the radio. Let's start with the charging cradle. On the front you will see a light indicator. This will show the radio is docked and charging. And on the back of the cradle is the battery contacts. On the side you can see the grooves for the radios to slot in, and when we turn it around you can see the power supply connection. The power supply itself is pretty standard. It has the cradle connection as well as the Australian power port for the wall. Next up is the lithium ion battery. This is a slimline 1500 mAh battery that will last up to 10 hours. On the back is the belt clip connection as well as the contacts for the charging cradle. The battery only takes 2 hours to fully charge. The belt clip does everything that its name states and is ready for all your belt clipping action. This leads us to the antenna, which is quite flexible and covers the UHF2 spectrum. This is to suit the Australian market and covers the CB public network. The last accessory, before we get to the radio, is the nylon strap. This is mainly to be used on the wrist. Now it's time for the moment you've all been waiting for. The star of the show, the Hytera BP562. Let's connect everything together and see how it works. The battery slides in easily at the back of the radio and you'll hear it clip in. Once this is done, the belt clip clips into the back of the battery. You hear it clip. At the top is the antenna port, where the antenna easily screws in. Make sure you don't underestimate your own strength and tighten it too tight, as this can cause some damage. One of the first things that I noticed was how easy it was to put together. On top of this, its form factor. It's quite light, only weighing around 230 grams, and it fits perfectly in my hands. I may sound like I'm 6'6", but I'm not. I have quite small hands and this is a massive benefit. The radio comes with a large speaker for clear and loud audio. On top of this, you have a 1.7-inch color display. It has your standard menu key buttons, and if you're using the radio for private calls, you have your answer call and your end call, where your end call also acts as your power on and off. At the bottom, you have 3 programmable buttons. On the right side, you have a USB-C charging port, as well as a 9-pin accessory connector, protected by a cover. This helps give the BP562 an IP67 rating. You also can see the groove for the charging cradle. On the back, we have our belt clip, as well as the contacts for the charging cradle. On the left side, we have a large push-to-talk, clearly visible with an orange ring. We have dedicated independent volume keys, as well as a programmable key. At the top, we have our antenna, our emergency button, LED indicator, as well as a rotary switch. This means the switch has no end. Let's turn the radio on. As you can see, it's very quick to turn on. And just as quick to turn off. If you would like to trial the radio or have any questions at all, please get in touch. Thanks for watching the video.